Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to add your card in your Apple Pay, you may face a problem that found invalid. No eligible Apple Pay cards were found in your wallet. Please make sure that your storefront matches the card in your wallet and try again. So how can you fix it? So guys, if you're facing this issue, and you can fix it very easily. So first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you may click here on general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may scroll it down, and here you will see that here is the option of background app refresh, so you may turn this on. Then you may click here on date and time and click on set automatically turn this on. After this guys, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of language and region, so you may click here and you may select a region, and you may select that region where you lives. After this, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of VPN and device management. Click here, and if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then guys, you may go back again, and you may scroll it down and click here on your wallet, so you may click here on wallet, and guys, you may click here on add card, and you may add new card from here. So if your card is not adding still now, then guys, you may contact to your card issuer and tell them your problem, and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.